in bottles or packaging can ruin products and damage your brand. That's why leak testing is essential in the packaging industry. Today, we're looking at the vacuum leak tester. What is a vacuum leak tester? A vacuum leak tester is a device that detects leaks in PET bottles, food packages, pharmaceuticals, and flexible packaging. It ensures your products are safe and high quality. During testing, the bottle is placed inside the vacuum chamber. When vacuum is applied, any leaks in the bottle are revealed by bubbles or pressure changes, making detection easy and accurate. Leak testing prevents contamination, protects brand reputation, and ensures quality packaging. It's a must for food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and PET bottle manufacturers. The Bharat Group manufactures high-quality vacuum leak testers designed for fast, accurate, and reliable leak detection, trusted by labs and production lines worldwide. For safe, leak-free packaging, choose the Bharat Group's vacuum leak testers. Visit www.thebharatgroup.com to learn more.